Hey, Gambit's back again after like the 20,000th break. Yeah, well, something always comes up, it seems like. So we're back, and today I'm going to be reviewing the submissions for the Halloween competition. I know it's a little late, but oh well. So let's get right into it. We got number one. Well, I already reviewed you because you won, so we're not going to do that. So we're going to start out with Kitty with the Hat. Pretty sure that's Cat in the Hat. All right, so we got this one. First off, text is pretty hard to read. The picture is really dim. It's hard to see. The font is all blending together, and it's just, I don't know. It seems like it's all over the place. I'm just gonna be honest on these. It seems like it's all over the place, and yeah, font's not very good. It just needs some work. The text typography needs some work in terms of making it look better. And I don't know why it's so dark. I mean, I guess because it's spooky when stuff's dark. I don't know. But yeah, that's that one. Let's move on to the next one. We got Trick or Treat Halloween. So basically, it looks like you took this image from online and typed some text, right? Not super original, but that's not the main focus. So the text is kind of trippy if you look at it long enough, because you're trying to make it 3D, but it just comes off as like just something. I don't know. It's tripping me out. Okay. Text pretty plain, and I can't look at it for too long because now I'm starting to see multiples. So we're just gonna go on to the next one. We got the medication, right? So spooky, pills, terrifying. So we got pills with some blood splattered on it, and pretty cool concept, but I don't know. So the text is really small, can't really read it, so definitely make that bigger. It just seems kind of rushed, but yeah, I'm not trying to be mean. That's just what I see. I don't know. It doesn't really make sense because the blood splatter is like, I don't know if you're trying to make it on the, I don't know. All right, let's move on to the next one. So we got Zombie Hunt. Now this one's really cool. I don't remember seeing this one. It reminds me of Left 4 Dead. The text is cool. It's small, which is like not a bad thing necessarily. I think it's pretty cool. And I don't know if you did any of this, but if you did, looks really cool. So I don't really have anything bad to say. Next one is Roblox. So it looks like a lot of orange, so I would definitely try adding some more colors. The text is in really weird locations. It's like all the way at the bottom. I would move it up. I'd move this to the right a little bit. You don't want touching the corner. It's just not cool. The text is all the same, and it's not very pleasing to look at, so I would definitely work on that. It's kind of dark, but if you got the text down, it would be pretty decent. Next up, we got this one. We got Zombie Are Coming. All right, zombie are coming. So first off, I would say zombies are coming, but if it's just one zombie, that's cool. Just one zombie, makes sense. Looks like we got some mummy eyes though, so it's kind of misleading. There's a lot of green, text kind of blends in, so I can't really see what I'm reading. I do like the incorporation of the eye though with the O, but I think you did it a little bit too much. I would have just stuck with just the zombie with the eyeball. But yeah, not bad. Next up, we got The Fallen, October 31st. This looks pretty decent. A lot of manipulation, I can tell. So that's cool. I mean, you got the shadows, which is actually really good. I like the shadows a lot. I'm not gonna be picky on those because technically you could be like, oh, the sun is over here. Or I mean, you could say the sun's anywhere and the shadows don't make sense. I don't know. But I think it looks pretty good. And I don't know. Let's take a closer look at this guy right here. Gotta see what I'm looking at. Oh, it's a zombie. All right. All right, you definitely don't want to zoom in too much. Okay. The mansion. A mansion in the woods. Will you enter? October 31st. I would not enter that mansion. So it looks like you put a picture of a PNG mansion on top of a forest picture. And you added some text. Text is really hard to read. Dark. It all kind of looks the same. It's, I don't know what's up, like why it's so separated from all this. I would like put this a little bit higher up. But yeah, we'll move on to the next one. Next one is Death on Halloween. So I actually do like how it looks kind of, I don't know what the word is. It looks kind of like a vintage video, for example. Like it's kind of grainy and squished and, you know what I mean. I think it looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Looks like old like camcorder footage or something. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Next up, we got the cheater right here. You cheater, not cool, bro. Looks good though. Whoever made this, good job. But you cheated. Next up, we got the skull, which I already went over because you won. Did you actually? I can't remember. Yeah, I think you won. Next up, we got Halloween Happy. See, that's the first problem. You want the happy to be like higher up because you read from like top to bottom, left to right. So I first read Halloween and then happy. So Halloween Happy, I mean, maybe you're going for that, but I'm pretty sure it's Happy Halloween. I would move the happy up here and the Halloween down. We got my boy Fredward from Five Nights at Freddy's right here, looking spooky, and I don't know what to say about it. I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know why there's purple shadow or something like that, but it looks pretty spook. Next up, we got Halloween here. Took me a second. Really squished. That's the first thing I noticed, so maybe like spread it out a little bit. Very sad kitty cat right here. You know, this one's more sad than spooky. We're gonna move on. We got the Horror Night, October 31st. I really like the text. The text looks really nice. And it looks simple and clean. So we're gonna move on to the next one that is basically the exact same thing. But this one didn't do it as good. The text isn't as good. It's kind of blurry. There's too many pumpkins going on, right? I like this one because it separated the pumpkins. So you got this one and then you got these two. These are all next to each other. So we'll move on to the next one. All right, Devil's Night. Lots of stuff going on here. Looks nice. The text is super cool. I dig that. Manipulation. Looks really good. No complaints. Next up, we got It's Over Before You Know It. Now, this looks really clean. I like clean, but maybe it's a little bit too clean. We'll move on to the next one. Five Nights at Freddy's. Very original. Five Nights at Freddy's sounds like a pretty cool concept. So I'm guessing you're spending 5 nights at this guy's place. I guess his name is Freddy. So that sounds pretty cool. Kind of looks like the other one we saw. Now we got Haunted House. This dude made 100% of it. So that makes it 10 times cooler than all the others. The fact that you made all of it. Actually, are you sure about that? Are you sure you made that couch? And that cat? And that teddy bear? I think you're capping, bro. Anyways, it's not bad. I mean, it's a cool, like, school project, but as a movie poster, I don't know. Next up, we got the Spooky Halloween. It's just a pumpkin. Next up, we got Budgie Plays Death Night. Really cool. You know, the only thing I don't like about it is the text or the font. I don't like the font for some reason. Like, it's not bad. It's just I don't dig it. It's not that cool. Now, this font is really cool. So if you use that font up here, it'd be a lot better. So no hate towards the design or anything. It's just the font. Super sick font. I actually want to know what that font is. If you're watching this, bro, please leave a comment on what font this is. Looks really nice. This one overall is just so sick. Super clean, dude. Good job, bro. That's all of them. Sorry if I was a little mean. But you gotta be honest, because honesty brings improvement. If I lie and say they're all the best thing ever, you're not gonna want to improve. I gotta be honest, all right? Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.